I used Codex to build a resume Tailor skill that automatically generates customized resumes. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If you haven't used Codex before, check out this video first. It covers installation and the basics of using Codex. And if you want to learn how to use Codex for automated video editing, check out this other video of mine. First, I shared my idea with ChatGPT. I want to use Codex to build a reusable resume customization skill. To start, I'll send Codex all my personal information, my old resume, project experience, and background materials. Since this information doesn't change often, Codex can organize it into a markdown file and save it in the project. Then, every time I apply for a new job, I'll just send Codex the new job description and have it save that as a markdown file too. Quick note here, Markdown is just a plain text format with clear structure. It's much easier for Codex to read, edit, and compare than PDF or Word. Next, Codex needs to compare my background with the job description, pull out the key requirements and ATS keywords from the JD, and generate a customized ATS-friendly resume for that specific job. As many of you probably know, a lot of companies now use ATS systems to screen resumes first, so keyword matching really matters. But here's the most important rule. Codex can only use my real experience. It can't make anything up. Finally, I want Codex to produce the resume in both DOCX and PDF formats, along with a simple ATS analysis report. That way I can check keyword matches, resume strengths, gaps, and anything that still needs my own confirmation. I'll also give Codex a reference resume template to follow. My goal is to keep the whole workflow as simple as possible, especially once it becomes a Codex skill, so I can reuse it again and again. Later, I'll publish this skill on GitHub so other people can use it too. Last, I asked ChatGPT, does this workflow make sense? If there are no major issues, please lay out the complete steps and write the exact prompts I can send to Codex for each one. I hit send, waited a bit, and let's take a look at ChatGPT's response. ChatGPT confirmed the workflow made sense, while also reminding me to be mindful of privacy. It also wrote out the prompts for each step. Now let's actually put this to the test. Step 1. Create the project structure. I already found this super useful in a previous project. Setting up the folder structure first keeps everything organized later on. Just copy and paste the prompt into Codex, hit send, and after a moment, all the folders are created. Let's go take a look on the computer. Step 2. Create the master profile from your real background. I found a resume we can use for testing. Let's upload it to Codex. Then paste in the Step 2 prompt. Codex will analyze your resume content, convert it into a well-structured markdown file, and save it to the project. Step 3. Ask Codex to create a truth protection system. This step is about setting the rules, making sure Codex only uses your real experience and never fabricates anything in the resume. Step 4. Add the resume reference template. I found an ATS-optimized resume template for Codex to reference for formatting and layout. Upload it to Codex, paste in the prompt, then Codex analyzes the template and extracts its design style, layout, fonts, and formatting details while keeping the output in Markdown format. Step 5. Build the actual skill instructions. Think of this as writing a product spec, telling Codex exactly what this skill is supposed to do. Step 6. Create the link to AGENTS.md project rules. This tells Codex what rules it must follow when carrying out tasks. So basically, Step 5 is the product spec, and Step 6 is the code of conduct for the project. Step 7. Save a new job description. Find the job you want to apply for online, paste the JD into Codex, then paste in the corresponding prompt. Just like with your personal info, Codex will analyze the JD and generate a markdown file to save it. Step 8. Generate the tailored resume. At this point, Codex will read your master profile, the job description, the resume template, and all the rules set up earlier. Then generate a resume tailored specifically for that job. Codex generated the DOCX, PDF, and ATS analysis report. And all of these files could be opened directly in the software with fully editable content. That said, there were a few minor formatting issues, and the resume came out as 2 pages, when a 1-page resume is generally more favorable. So I took a screenshot of the formatting issues, sent it to Codex, and described the look I wanted. Codex fixed the formatting and got it down to just 1 page. Next, I sent over a few more job descriptions to test things out. That's when I ran into an issue. Every time a new resume was generated, it would overwrite the previous one. So I had Codex adjust that logic, save each generated resume separately, and name the file after the company. That way, every resume is clearly distinguishable at a glance. After Codex made the fix, I tested it again, and sure enough, each file was automatically named after its corresponding company. At this point, I could simply hand a JD straight to Codex, and it would automatically analyze it and format it into Markdown. Then all I had to do was type "generate the resume." No more copying and pasting that long prompt every single time. Now, looking at the ATS report, it lists out any keywords in the job description that haven't been matched yet. If you genuinely have relevant experience for those, you can just ask Codex to work them into the resume. By this point, the entire workflow was running smoothly, with no real issues left. The next step was to package it into a proper skill and publish it on GitHub. For this part, I again had ChatGPT help me map out the steps and draft the corresponding prompts, so all I had to do was follow along. Whenever Codex returned something I didn't quite understand, I'd just pass it along to ChatGPT to have it explain, or even have it generate the reply to send back to Codex directly. So really, the whole workflow boils down to this: ChatGPT does the thinking, and Codex does the doing. The whole process went really smoothly, and I successfully published my very first skill. I'll drop the link in the video description. Feel free to grab it for free if you need it. All you need to do is paste the GitHub link to Codex and type "set up this skill." Codex will automatically install the skill for you. Then upload your resume information and type "save this resume info" to a Markdown file. Next, upload the JD and type "save this JD info" to a Markdown file. Finally, type "generate a resume," wait a moment, and your customized resume will be ready. I'll include all the prompts used in today's video in the description. Feel free to grab them for free. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. There are a lot more practical AI tutorials on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help. Thanks for watching.